Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby. Okay, so it's been 2 weeks since I, started wearing this hair, so I thought an update is due. So I am back and I'm here to tell you guys all about this hair. And this is their Yaki texture. As you can see, my hair is still in silk press state. Now, if you haven't seen my silk press updates, I will link it down below. Matches perfectly with this texture. As you can see, it's so seamless. This is my silk pressed natural hair, and this is the clip-in extensions. So as you can see, it's blending in very well, and also this hair curls like a dream. I just used my regular hair straightener and then I curled my hair, and then I applied a little bit of this Moroccan argan oil. I don't even know why I'm pronouncing it so weirdly, but yeah, I applied this oil. It smells amazing. So yeah, I used a little bit of that to tame the flyaways, and yeah, the curls are holding well, and I am so much in love with this hair. So and this, okay, so God, this hair is so cute. As far as shedding, this hair sheds little to like no shedding. I get a little bit like when I curl or straighten the hair, I get a little bit of that, but when I'm washing it, I don't get any. I only wash this hair twice. Shampoo by Marc Anthony. This one I use it on my natural hair. I don't know why I use it. I think it's because it smells really good. And I really love the smells, like, oof, it's amazing. That's why I used it. I was going on a date, so I was like, oh, my hair needs to smell extra nice. So yeah, I used this shampoo and then I used this conditioner. So yeah, I washed it twice. It's been 2 weeks and I'm in love. In terms of tangling, this hair barely tangles. That's the thing. Okay, so this hair, the texture is coarse, and of course, like, it mimics African American hair or African hair, but it behaves like a regular Brazilian straight hair. So there's minimal tangling, minimal shedding, because it's straight hair. So I mean, it's not, how much of a tangling can you get, right? It takes shampoo and conditioner very well, so if you want your hair to smell nice, this is very good. The way I wash the hair is, I get a bucket, I pour in hot water, boiling hot water, and then I squeeze in some shampoo, and I put the hair in and leave it for like 2 hours, and then I go over with a fine-tooth comb, and then I rinse it with cold water, and then I pour out the shampoo water, fill it back with hot water again, and then I'm gonna put some conditioner, stir it, and then put the hair back in, so the cuticles can open, and then I leave it in for a couple hours again, and then I go over it with the comb, and then I rinse it with cold water, and then I just let it air dry. So it's amazing. It's super versatile. If you see my last video, I made a video on how I create multiple styles using these clip-ins, and also I love the fact that, yeah, you can create different hairstyles. But not only that, if I want my hair thick, I can use 2 packs. If I want a super natural look, I can use, like, I don't know, like only 8 clip-ins. This by far is my favorite way of wearing extensions. Not weave, okay, because I can't stand the weave no more. Wigs are good, but melting the lace and dealing with the frontal is too much work. So I like this method. The only con is, obviously, you have to keep your hair straight. I'm going to start with my protective style again, because I recently cut my hair, so I can't be wearing this for a while. So I'm gonna take this out, but so far so good. I'm gonna show you guys so you can see it's beautiful. This is my natural hair texture, and it's blending very well. Maybe I'll get this texture in a bundle form and then create my own wig or something. But other than that, I am in love. So yeah, that was it. I'm glad you guys were able to watch this video. Honestly, like, if you're not even gonna buy it, just check out the website. I'm not getting any commission or anything. Okay, I just got this hair for free, and yeah, I decided to do a review. So it's not like I get any commission or anything. So use the, I don't know, discount code or whatever, or get your discount and get this hair because it's beautiful. And don't forget to check out the other texture, which is the kinky curly, because that one is even more natural. I think that one is perfect for protective styling because all I have to do is co-wash my hair every 2 or 3 days and then just clip those in, and it's amazing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.